Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to record your own training video, and the way that we do that is inside of Teams. So if you go to your calendar, all you got to do is click on a time slot that you're currently in, or it can be any time, and you're going to make a meeting. So for this example, maybe how to count to 10 is our fake made-up training video that we're going to make. And the way that we do this is you just invite yourself, which you might have some trouble with. If you try to type your own name, it's going to say that you don't exist, but you know that you do exist. So you can get around this by either putting your email or your username, so craft@foam.com. And I'll ask if I want to invite this email address, and then, well, when you look at that, it does actually know that I'm a person. So once you have this made and you've invited yourself, you just hit send. And now that the meeting is there, you can just hit join. And nobody's going to be in there, obviously, except for you, which is great because no one will be talking while you're trying to record your video. So when you go to record, you just need to, once you've launched it, first share your screen so that when you start the recording, it's already sharing. So I'm going to share this monitor that we're currently looking at, open my window back up, and now that I'm sharing my screen and I've got everything ready, I think, to record my video, you click this ellipses here for more actions and come down to start recording. So once you start it, wait a second before you start talking. There's going to be a purple bar that pops up that says you're now recording. I usually start talking right when this pops up so that I don't have to redo my whole video over, because the first 2 seconds are cut off. So now that this is recording the screen, I can get rid of this, and it's now looking at whatever I'm looking at. So for our video that's fake and made up, it's how to count to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Now I'm going to open up my Teams now that I'm done with my instructions, and click the ellipses again and click stop recording. And so now that I've stopped recording, it's saving it. I can leave my fake meeting that I made with myself, and I'm not going to rate myself. Thank you though, Teams. Now that you have this, just pop into your chat, and you should have a chat from your meeting you were just in, how to count to 10. And if it's a short video like that one, it'll be ready right away. If it's longer, then it may take a few minutes, so don't be impatient. It'll come, I promise. So now that you have this meeting, you just want to click open in OneDrive, and that's going to launch your video, but it's not hosted where you want to be sharing it yet. So I usually click play, make sure that it actually works. Before you start talking, there's going to be a purple bar that pops up. Okay, we don't need to hear that again. So you can check through your video here and make sure that it's good. If everything looks right, just pop up here in the top left corner and click download. And once it downloads, I usually launch it inside of the default Photos or Windows Media Player, whatever it's going to play in. So let's say I paused too long, or it took me a while to get it figured out at the end of the video how to stop the recording. It's just a bunch of wasted time, and we want to clean it up a little bit. I'll come up here to the edit and create, and then click trim, and there's some other options there if you're wanting to add some creativity to your training video. So now I've got Oh, where'd it go? Okay, let's try that again. Looks like it might
Wait a
have
second.
errored out there. Okay, well, that keeps crashing. I don't know why. Normally it doesn't, but you get the idea. You just trim the video up and then save it when you're done. Anyway, once you have that video actually saved, what we're going to want to do is go to OneSource and hit the 9 dots in the top left. And if it's not in this list, you can click All Apps. We got to find Microsoft Stream and launch that. So once we're in Stream, we want to create a video, and we're going to upload from a video that we already have. So I've got here, make this a little smaller, how to count to 10, but it's got all this extra stuff after it, so I'm just going to edit this, delete that out. So now I have how to count to 10 .mp4, and I'm just going to click and drag it right in here to upload it. It's going to take the title already, and then maybe just a quick description. And I always make sure and click the language that I speak so that it can do its auto caption, subtitle generation. And I double check to make sure that everyone in the company can view, because sharing is caring, and we want to spread that knowledge. You can pick your thumbnail that you want to show for the video. So I'll pick the one of me counting here. If none of your thumbnails are good and you want to maybe put a custom one, it will let you add one. You can just bring her in like that. So now that it's all up and processed, which on longer videos the processing will take a little bit longer than this super quick one, you can just click publish, and now I have my video, How to Count to 10, is live up on All Companies, so everyone can watch it. Hopefully John Zianis isn't just browsing Stream and looking at my dumb How to Count to 10 video right now. I'm going to delete this afterwards. So now that I have this,
Before you start talking,
I can share it, I can embed it in SharePoint. I can just keep it for my own records if I wanted. Whatever you want to do. So I'd probably click share, hit copy, and then I'm going to add that and send it to someone, let them know, hey, this video is up. You can do that in Teams, and it should give you a link that looks like this. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a message, and like always, thanks for watching.